Alright, so today I'm going to be taking out the trunnions and bearings from my old rockers so that I can install the new upgraded trunnions and bronze bearings. And for now I'm just going to be using the stock rockers from the engine until I upgrade to new roller rockers. That's what we're going to be doing today. And if you want to do this yourself, I just got this tool from Summit. It comes with this. You put it on right here and it just pushes them right out with the vise. And then if you want to install them, you got more tools in here that'll help you install it with this tool. Oh, that one exploded, and that one exploded too. Oh, that one blew up too. Alright guys, I finally got all the trunnions and bearings out of the rocker arms. So now I'm just going to clean them up and see if they're salvageable and if we can use them again. But if not, we'll just get some new ones. That's all for now. Soon I'll be installing these, so I'll make a video on that. And that's pretty much all we have for now.